ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? What is this? मेरे पीछे बोलो. What is this? अगर कुछ चीज़ दूर है, what is that? What is that? What is that? That is a knife. So that is a knife. ये मेरा हाथ में है. So we say this is a knife. क्योंकि मुझसे पास है. This is a knife. That is a knife. This is a knife. Okay, हम practice करेंगे kitchen utensils के साथ. What is this?
That is a cup.
A cup. This is a cup. What is this?
That is a cup.
Okay. What is this?
That is a bowl.
Bowl. This is a bowl.
That is a bowl.
ले लो.
What is this?
That is a bottle. That is a bottle.
What is this? This is a bottle. What is that? That is a bottle.
Okay. What is this? What is this?
That is a container.
This is a container. Container. ये मुश्किल बोलने में. Container. Container. This is a container. What is this?
That is a plate.
Plate. This is a plate. What is this?
That is a spoon.
Ah, this is a spoon.
A teaspoon.
A small spoon. What is this?
That is a wok.
This is a wok. Wok. Now, कभी-कभी भारत में कढ़ाई को कहते हैं cauldron English में. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हम इसको wok कहते हैं, लेकिन कभी-कभी यहाँ पर cauldron बोलते हैं. This is a wok. What is this?
That is a pot.
Ah, this is a pot. This is a pot.
That is a pot.